In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in a Google Ads campaign. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Once you're on the main dashboard, make sure you're in the right account and the correct billing profile, especially if you manage multiple clients or brands. You should see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Next, open the campaign section and choose the campaign you want to work on. Most keyword management happens in search campaigns, so confirm you're editing the intended search campaign to keep your reporting clean and your targeting accurate. From there, click Keywords in the left-hand menu. This area is where you'll manage the terms that trigger your ads. If you see multiple keyword views, use the primary search keywords view so you're adding terms that your ads can actively bid on. Now select the specific ad group where these new keywords should live. Think of an ad group as a home for a tightly related theme. Grouping similar terms here helps your ads stay relevant and improves quality scores. Pick the ad group whose ads and landing page best match the intent behind the keywords you're about to add. In the keyword entry field, type the terms you want to target. Keep each keyword clear and concise, and focus on the way your customers actually search. If you're adding several, it helps to keep them closely related to a single topic or product variation to make ad relevance stronger. Avoid near duplicates and lean into high intent variations that reflect what you can deliver on your landing page. Select the appropriate match type for each keyword. Broad match casts the widest net and can find related queries, but it may bring in more variation. Phrase match narrows things down to searches that include the meaning of your keyword with some flexibility. Exact match is the most precise, focusing on searches with the same meaning as your keyword. If control and predictability matter most, start with phrase and exact. If you need reach and have strong conversion signals, consider testing broad with smart bidding. Enter a final URL for the keyword if you want it to lead to a specific landing page. If you leave this blank, the ad's final URL will be used automatically. Choose a page that clearly matches the keyword's intent and makes it easy for visitors to take the next step. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new keywords are now added to the ad group. Changes may take a short time to propagate, so monitor performance after launch and refine as needed.